Gusto mo ba maging leader? Then be ready because values-based leadership will cost you. Paano ka nga ba mag-lead with strength and soul? Number one, let your integrity speak louder than your insecurity. Number two, do not fight narratives. Stay rooted in facts and documentation. Number three, lead with compassion pero never compromise your values. Number four, remember, values are not real until they cost you something. That's why leadership isn't about being liked. It's about being aligned. Hindi ka nandito para lamang magpa-cute. Nandito ka para protektuhan ang ipinagkatiwala sa'yo ng Panginoon. That's why if you're in a season where you're being tested, questioned, judged, take a breath. Stand firm. Stay anchored. Hindi ka babagsak, I tell you. You are gonna be forged for your next level. Isang reminder from Coach Migs, your chief strategist.